Hey guys, how is it going? Today we are going to create gorgeous flower pot by using just two things, water and cement. Please watch the full video till end to see how it is done step by step, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so I can keep sharing new ideas to help you spruce up your dream home. First thing first, grab a wooden spatula and mix the cement and water together really well. You need right consistency, not too thick, not too thin. Mix it slowly to avoid any lumps. Here I am using empty plastic bag as our mold for the flower pot. You can use any bag you have lying around. Second, I am using empty glass bottle filled with a stone to keep it from the floating. That is easily available in our kitchen. Now pour the cement mixture into the bag and place the bottle in the middle. Make sure it's weighted down so it stays in a place. Then tie the rope around the bag to create a cool pattern on the pot. Now let it dry overnight. It's time to demold now. Carefully remove the bag and remove the stone from the bottle. Smooth out any rough spots with some sandpaper and get it ready for the paint. But before we paint, let's cover up the bottleneck with some clay. I'm using here paper mache clay, but you can use whatever clay you have on your hand. If you don't have any clay, don't worry, you can wrap the bottleneck with the jute rope or lace. I'm using here PVA glue to stick the clay. Once the clay is placed, let it dry completely. Once it dry, now it's time to paint our vase. I am using here two different shades of brown for the base color. First, I'll cover it with the dark brown. Then I'll give a shadow with the lighter brown. I'm using here golden color for the top. To add some texture, I'm using here little piece of sponge. Dab a sponge in the golden paint and lightly apply it over the brown. And there you have it, a beautiful flower pot ready to go. Isn't it super easy to make, right? To give a more aesthetic look, you can tie a jute rope on the neck of the pot where the impression is. Give it a shot and let me know how it turned out in the comment below. You can use this beautiful vase as a flower pot or as a door stopper. Thanks for tuning in guys, and see you in my next video.